Hi everyone. Good morning guys. Good morning all of you. How are you all guys? Hope you're all doing well. So we'll be doing this right. Confusion se Azadi. So happy Raksha Bandhan to everyone. So all the brothers and sisters over here, right? Everyone. So that doubts clearing session, right? Whatever the confusions you are having in your transportation engineering preparation and whatever the doubts you are having in the subject, today we'll be taking one session in YouTube and tomorrow we'll be taking one session in special class, right? Unacademy special class will be just taking if you just observe, right? So confusion se Azadi, transportation engineering doubt solving session 1, right? Any doubts anyone having? We just ask your doubts here all of you and we'll be clearing all your doubts. Okay? Any doubts anyone? Tell me the confusion se Azadi. Right. So all of you, welcome to Unacademy. Let's crack it, right? Everyone is ready to crack, all of you. Get ready to crack, all of you. Right. What is the referral code you have to use whenever you are subscribing to the plus and iconic courses? That RP Civil Live. Okay. So civil engineering, GATE and ESE civil engineering, and this is my profile. You can follow me at which, and this is a referral code you have to use always, right? RP Civil Live is the referral code you have to use every time whenever you are subscribing to the plus and iconic courses, all of you. And these are all the subjects I'll be taking in Unacademy Plus platform, you can say. And now you can save up to this 44%. You can save which one? You can save up to this 44% when you are subscribing to this plus and iconic courses, right? Isn't it? At present, up to this 12th only this offer is there. After this 12th, this offer will not be there, all of you. So whenever you are taking this 24-month subscription, 6 months extra you will be getting. 18-month subscription, 4 months extra you will be getting. 12 months subscription, 3 months extra you will be getting. And 9 months subscription, 2 months extra. 6 months subscription, 1 month extra you will be getting if you just observe, right? So don't miss this opportunity, everyone. Inform to your friends, juniors and everybody also, those who are willing to take their subscription and start their GATE preparation, right? So what is the referral code you have to use? RP Civil Live is the referral code you have to use always, right? What is the referral code you have to use? RP Civil Live, right? RP Civil Live is the referral code you have to use every time. Okay. So here this no cost EMI option will be available, all of you. So from this no cost EMI, those who are unable to pay entire fee at a time, for them Unacademy has given this good opportunity. So what you can do, you can utilize this no cost EMI option and you need not pay the entire fee at a time, but you can pay in which one? This parts, right? So you can pay in parts, right? Utilize this and don't stop your preparation, right? Don't let any difficulty to stop your preparation, all of you. Okay. So don't miss this opportunity, everyone, right? So this GATE and ESE combat will be there, na? So no, this GATE and ESE combat will be there, all of you. So for this GATE and ESE combat test will be there on which one? This is 14th August at 11 AM. This test will be there. So don't miss this. Based on the rank you are getting in your examination. So based on the rank you are getting in your examination, you will be redirected to which one? You will be getting this scholarships, everyone, right? So how much successful you can attend, how successfully you can attend this examination, so that much successfully you can get this scholarship, all of you. Okay. So don't miss this, everyone, right? So whenever you are enrolling, so what is that referral code or enrollment code we have to use? RP Civil Live is the enrollment code you have to use, all of you. Okay. Now, so this GATE and ESE Azadi festival is there from 10th August to 14th August. All doubt solving sessions will be there and guidance sessions will be there, right? So like that. So here you will be having all these kinds of the sessions, right? Whichever is suitable for you, just try to attend them, all of you. Okay. So RP Civil Live, right? RP Civil Live is the code you have to use whenever you are subscribing which one? To this plus and iconic courses we just have, right? And attending this, right? While attending these sessions, right? And now Unacademy iconic students will be getting this printed notes, na? But if you are already existing previous iconic student and if you wanted to get this printed notes, you can get it by means of which one? This subscription. You just go to the subscriptions and subscribe and select which one? GATE, ESE, Civil, Mechanical, Electrical, EC, CS and IT notes you select, right? And use the referral code RP Civil Live. you can get up to 10% discount. Okay, so less than 6 months time is there for your preparation, and these are all the, don't miss all these PSUs also, right? Lot many PSUs will be having now, so don't miss all these PSUs everyone, so don't miss these things. Okay, so use the referral code RP Civil Life and subscribe to this iconic subscription at 492 rupees extra cost. You will be getting this iconic subscription compared to Plus, all of you. So this is a fee structure, right? These are all the things we can access from the iconic. And 1:1 live mentoringship session will be there every month. 2 sessions will be there, right? So each and every session will be, so these are all the benefits of this live mentoringship sessions you can have, right? So now these are all the differences between the features of this Plus and iconic subscription. So whichever is suitable for you, try to select that. Okay, all of you. Okay, now RP Civil Live you have to use, and these are the new batches started if you just observe, right? Isn't it? This is a fee structure, right? And now coming to this, these are a full length courses going on. Yes, Akhil, good morning. And now these are all the free courses going on now. Confusion say Azadi, transportation engineering, that a doubt solving session, right? So all of you just ask your doubts and I'll be fully clearing all your doubts of this transportation. Okay, you just ask your doubts, all of you. I'll be clearing all your doubts completely. Ask your doubts, everyone. Okay, good morning. Only you joined. Okay, everyone ask your doubts. Yeah, Pranit, good morning. Akhil, good morning. Right, ask your doubts, everyone. What is the doubts you are having in your transportation engineering? First, tell me your doubts. Whatever the doubts you are having, I'll be clearing your doubts. And if you do not have any doubts, and I'll explain where, at which locations, right, at which places of this transportation will be having which one, these doubts, right, where you will be getting confusion, and how to overcome this confusion, I'll be telling you. Okay. Done, everyone? Ask your doubts. So otherwise, if you do not have any doubts, right, what I'll do is, yeah, that E and F, right? Okay, I'm going to explain that only. E and F, right? Generally, when to use which formula, right? Generally, that super elevation wala, whenever it comes to be this super elevation related, right? Whenever it comes to be this super elevation related, so what is it you're having? Suppose if a mixed traffic condition is asked, right? Super elevation under mixed traffic condition. Super elevation under this mixed traffic condition, right? What is the formula we have to use in the question? If it is mentioned as this super elevation under mixed traffic condition, E equal to 0.75 small v whole square divided by this gr, or you can also write it as which one, this capital V square by which one, this 225, all right, capital V square by 225 r we have to use, right, like that. Is not directly, simply we have to use, right, under mixed traffic condition given, super elevation under mixed traffic condition given, we have to use this one directly, right? And what else you can use? Equilibrium super elevation, right? Suppose if that equilibrium super elevation is given in the question, calculate equilibrium or balanced super elevation, right? What is that equilibrium super elevation, or what is that balanced super elevation, you can say. So equilibrium or this balanced super elevation, vadakam. Okay, what is that? E will be equal to small v square by gr or capital V square by this 127. All right, this formula we have to use, right, all of you? Is not, is it clear which formula we have to use? This one only we have to use, right? Whenever it is which one, whenever it is which one, just an equilibrium super elevation or this balanced super elevation you are telling, right, like that. Okay, now suppose, right, suppose if we just observe, right, suppose if we just observe, right, what is that you are having? Next one, what is a super elevation, right? What is that you can say? The question is super elevation with full friction. Super elevation with full friction, right? What is it? Super elevation with full friction, right? Super elevation with full friction, what is it? You can say super elevation with full friction is equal to which one? E is equal to what is it? You can say super elevation with full friction is E plus F we have to use now. The question itself is telling that full friction is there. So whenever you are considering this full friction rate, that E plus F will be equal to which one? This is small v square by gr, or you can also write it as this capital V square by 127 r. Okay, and can't you get this E value from here? Yes, you can get this E value here, right? And now there is one more thing, that super elevation without considering friction. Okay, super elevation without considering the friction. And when super elevation without considering the friction, what is it? You can say what is it we have to use? Super elevation without considering the friction means that E equal to same small v square by gr, or you can also use it as this capital V square by this 127 r, right? Like that. So these are the things we are having, right? Is that clear now, everyone? This point is clear. When this point is clear, that provided required point I'll go for. Okay, if this point is clear, I'll go for this provided and this required point. Okay, clear now? Clear now, everyone? Right? So now second one, right? When to check with this E maximum and when not to check with this E maximum, right? So checking with E maximum na, what is it you can say? That checking with the E maximum, right? Whether we have to check the calculated value with E maximum or not. Calculated value we have to check with E maximum or not. We have to go for na. Yes or no, we have to go for na. Yes or no, we have to go for na. Yes or no, we have to go for na. Is that clear? Right? So how can you do this if you just observe, right? Suppose if what is super elevation required and what is super elevation needed, yes na? And what is super elevation, right? What is super elevation, right? What is super elevation and what is it you can say? What is the design super elevation? What is the rate of super elevation and what is the design rate of super elevation? What is the design rate of super elevation, right? What is the design rate of super elevation, right? When all these types are given, right? Super elevation is, right? What is it you have to say? If it is given as your super elevation is, right? Super elevation is, right? When these kind of things are given, just what we need to do? What we need to do here? Calculated value should be reported, right? What is it you are reporting? Calculated value. Calculated value should be reported as it is, isn't it? Calculated value should be reported as it is, right? Do you need to check with E maximum or no need to check with E maximum, right? That means no need to check with E maximum, right? No need to check with what? E maximum. Like that. Is that clear? When to go for this? No. When you need not check with the E maximum? When you need not check the E maximum? Yes, na? When you need not check the E maximum, is that clear? Yes, na? You need not check with E maximum, you can say, right? You need not check with E maximum, you can say just right? Like that, when all these kinds of wordings are given, right? And when we have to check with E maximum, then suppose if super elevation to be provided, if super elevation to be provided is given in the question, or what is it given? If what is the super elevation? What is the super elevation? Simply what is super elevation? So here in the first one is also what is the super elevation is rate. What is the super elevation? And it is restricted to Yeah, what is that last point? You can say super elevation is, right? Super elevation is, right? Whenever the question is what is super elevation or super elevation is, right? So a highway with a horizontal curve of 300-meter radius, then what is the super elevation is, right? Then the super elevation is, then calculate the value as it is directly, okay, under the given conditions, right? No need to check with the maximum. Super elevation is given means with a design speed of, right, there is a national highway with 100 kmph design speed, it is passing through a direct answer, right? It is passing through a horizontal curve of this radius 400 meters, then the super elevation is, that's it, direct answer, okay, direct answer for this first, okay. Now this, suppose if super elevation to be provided is given in the question, super elevation to be provided is given in the question, or what is super elevation, same sir, in the previous also what is super elevation is given, that's it. But here what is super elevation given, and along with that it is a restricted, right? It is a restricted to, it is restricted as per which one, this E maximum, right? Suppose if these kinds are given, what we need to do, calculated value should be reported as it is, or check the calculated, right? Calculated value will be compared with which one, E maximum, na, that calculated value, that calculated value is which one, this is compared with E maximum, and report, right? And report which one, this is final value, okay, like that, okay. Is that clear everyone? The difference, the confusion gets cleared everyone? Whatever the confusion you had here, this confusion gets cleared? Your confusion gets cleared or not? Yes, no? Is that clear? Right. So next, what is our दूसरा confusion क्या है? और तीसरा, दूसरा वाला confusion over, and और तीसरा वाला confusion, right? और कोई topic में confusion है क्यों? है क्या? किसी को? और दूसरा topic में confusion है तो बोलो. Yeah, okay, okay. I'll be sending this PDF in group. Don't worry. Right. और कोई topic में confusion है क्या? कौन सा वाला topic में confusion है? बोलो. On in which topic, in what else the topic you are having the confusion, just say me, all of you. I'll explain that, I'll clear that confusion. Thinking. Why thinking? Okay, not thinking, not thought till now. Think and it ask me. I'll just clear that confusion, whichever the topic you are having confusion. In webster design, okay, yeah, what is your confusion in the webster design? So in the webster method of design, what is that C naught you are having? That 1.5 into that L plus 5 divided by which one? This 1 minus this capital Y, na? That is your cycle length we are having, na? Yes, this is your cycle length, right? Yeah, effective green actually, right? What is the effective green? If you just observe, effective green for the first phase is equal to actual green plus actual amber minus this startup last time for the first phase minus this clearance last time for the first phase. Similarly, what is the effective green for the third phase, actual green for the third phase plus actual amber time for the third phase minus this startup last time for the third phase minus this clearance last time for the third phase, right? Like that you are having, right? Isn't it? Like that you are having, if you just observe, right? Now how can you get this effect? So what is that L you can say here? L is your total lost time per cycle, na? L is nothing but your which one? This is a total lost time, na? It is your total lost time per cycle. So per cycle means it is including all the phases, na? Yes, it is including all the phases, right? How can you get this? 2 seconds of startup last time per phase, and if n phases are there, 2 into n, right? Plus R, right? What is that R? You can see it is not the normal red, it is a all red per cycle, na? It is all red per cycle, or not? Yes, it is all red per cycle, right? It is all red per cycle you are getting, right? Now what is that capital Y you can say here? What is that capital Y? That capital Y is nothing but your Y1 plus Y2 plus Y3 plus so on, like this, na? N phases are there, right? Isn't it? And what is that you can get it here if you just observe that Q1 by S1 plus this q2 by s2 plus so on, which one, this qn by sn, right? q1 by s1 plus q2 by s2 plus 1 qn by sn, right? What is that you can say? Just if you take this normal y1, this is second one, this is third slide, this is fourth one. If you just observe, what is that you can say that y1, right? y1 is nothing but your q1 by this, right? ess, right? q1 by which one? This is s1, right? What is the q1 you can say? This is a normal, yes, correct, right? It is a normal or design flow per lane, na? Design flow per lane of that phase, na? Design flow per lane of that phase, right? Of which one? Of that phase you can say, right? Divided by what is it you can say? What is the divided by? Divided by which one? This is saturation flow, right? What is it you can say? Saturation flow per lane of that phase only, no? Of that phase, na? Ith phase, first phase, right? First phase or second phase, third phase you are selecting. So that is, right? Isn't it? Saturation flow in the denominator you are having, if you just observe, right? What is that you can say? That is your saturation flow in the denominator, na? Yes, it is your saturation flow in the denominator, you can say, right? Yes, na? Absolutely. No. After that, next, effective green times, right? What are the effective greens, if you just observe, you can say? So tell me first of all, what is that a total effective green? What is that a total effective green for all cycles? Total effective green is equal to that total cycle length is a C0. Out of this C0, what happens? That L is a lost time now. So this is a total effective green, right? So what we need to do is you distribute this among the phases, na? You distribute this among phases, right? Among which one? This phases, right? How can you distribute this among these phases? So for first phase, effective green for the first phase is equal to which one? This is y1 by which one? This is capital Y into C0 minus L, right? So y is corresponding to total and small y is corresponding to that first phase only, right? Similarly, what is that? Effective green for the second phase is equal to what? Y2 divided by this capital Y into what is that? Is C0 minus L, right? Like that you will be getting the effective green. But is this effective green and the actual green both are same? Not same, na? Then we know this effective green, right? Effective green for the first phase is equal to, we know, and that is effective green for the first phase is equal to green time for actual green time for the first phase plus actual amber time in the first phase minus startup loss time for the first phase minus this clearance loss time for the first phase, you can say, right? Yes, now this startup loss time, clearance loss time we know, and amber time we know, actual green we know. Can't you calculate this effective green small g1 we know? Now can't you calculate this actual green? Yes, you can calculate this actual green, absolutely, isn't it? Yes, you can calculate this actual green absolutely, if you just observe, right? Isn't it? So you calculate this actual green and tell me, okay? Is it clear? So this is how we'll be calculating the actual green values, right? For the other phases also we'll be calculating the actual green in this manner only, right? Now tell me, any other doubts? Yeah, this type is asked most of the times, is absolutely. And actual red also, how can you get that? Cycle length is equal to that actual green for the first phase plus actual amber for the first phase plus actual red for the first phase, now then what you can get here? Cycle length we know, actual green just now calculated, actual amber we know. Can't you get this actual red from here, everyone? Yes, we can get actual red from here, right? Isn't it? Any other doubts, anyone else? Any other doubts, tell me, from transportation? Yeah, any other doubts? You just tell me, I'll clear those doubts also now. If any doubts are there, just ask me. Any doubts? Anyone, any doubts? If no doubts, I'll close it. If doubts are there, I'll just discuss those doubts, right? Akhil, any other doubts we are having? Any others? Sharath, any other doubts in this transportation? Just to say doubts are there or not, that's it. If doubts are there, I'll clear. If no doubts are there, I'll just close it. Okay? No? Okay, I'll close it. Right? If you are having any doubts now, you can ask in tomorrow's special class, right? Tomorrow at 9 o'clock, right? What is that you are having? Same. Tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. right? Tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. we'll be having that special class, right? What is it we are having? We are having this special class we are having, right? Special class we are having for which one? This is a doubts session 2, right? Doubts session 2 will be there, right? In special class, right? You can follow my profile in the description, or just blue color banner is there. Just click on that, you will be redirected to my profile, and you can follow my profile, and you will be getting the update for this class tomorrow. Okay? So you can just ask your doubts, remaining doubts in the tomorrow's class. If you do not have any doubts today, you just go for your doubt. You could just revise, recap, and you just check any doubts you are having. Right? Tomorrow I'll explain it. Okay? Tomorrow in the special class I'll explain it. Okay? Thank you all of you. Right? All of you subscribe to the channel and press this bell icon, and you will be getting the PDFs related to this in community and groups, and like, share, and comment. Okay? So that others also will be capable of going through this. Ritvik, I am taking already that PYQs of this GATE PYQs of this transportation I have started, and up to geometric design, cross sectional elements PYQs, GATE PYQs over, geometric design GATE PYQs are over. Now I will be starting which one now, and again on 13th August it will be there, right? 13th August onwards it will be there again. Okay, that material testing and payment design, traffic engineering, they will be starting. Okay, right. Ritvik, you just follow my profile, you will get the updates, right? Or you just text me, I'll be giving you the updates. Okay? Thank you all of you. Have a good day.